Hello children, good morning. Today, now in this video, we are going to see one max material called spindle box. This spindle box will be found near the number rods in the max shelf. Come, let's see how the spindle box will look like. This material is called spindle box. We have two boxes, and while we are working with this, you have to bring both the boxes. And this is called spindles. This is called spindles. We have it in this box. We have many compartments here. I'll explain you what it is about, and we have few spindles in all the compartments. Now we are going to work with this box. For that, we are going to take out the spindles and keep it down. While we are working in this material, we work in the work mat. So we have to place this spindles on your work mat, and while taking it out, there should be less noise. Watch carefully how I am taking it out. Now we'll shift the spindles like this. If we keep it like this, it will be easy for us. So I'm keeping it vertically. When we are taking the spindles out, be careful and see, listen how I am taking it out. Yes. Now box 1 is empty. I am moving to box 2. So in the same way, I am going to take out all the spindles in this compartment. I am going to keep it out. Before arranging the spindles, did you notice the numbers written on the walls? Yes. So in each compartment, numbers will be written 1, 2, 3, 4. And moving on to next box, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we'll arrange it. What's the number? 1. So I am going to take one spindle and keep it in the compartment 1. What's the next number? 2. Correct. So taking out 2 spindles and placing it gently in the compartment 2. Let's do it again. For that, I am keeping back the spindles. Okay, what's the number? 2. See? 1, 2. 2 spindles. 1 and 2. Now we'll take 3. 1, 2, 3. How many spindles? 3. Now we'll put it in the compartment. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. Next number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many spindles together? 4. Once again we'll count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Moving on to the next box. We have learnt this number also, 5 and 6. So we'll make it for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spindles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 spindles. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Till now we have learnt number only up to 6. So I have arranged only up to 6 the spindles. The other number 7, 8 and 9 we'll learn after learning how to write number 7, 8 and 9. We'll tell you how to put it in this compartment. So yes, we have seen the material spindle box with the spindles from number 1 to 6. You can also do it in home. For example, you can have the ice cream sticks which is used for craft, or else straws. Only thing is you have to get in 55 numbers of sticks, ice cream sticks or else straws. You have to have it yourself, and then you have to put it 1, 2 numbers, 3. Only thing is you have to go in order. We don't have a game thing in here. We don't ask them randomly. You have to make it in order. First, number 1, put 1 straw. In number 2, put 2 straws. Number 3, 1, 2, 3 straws. In 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 straws. So like that we have to keep on increasing the number. So while working in home, you can prepare a chart. Dear parents, you can prepare the chart for the children. So numbering from 0 to 9. Compulsory number 0 should be there. Even the child is not familiar with the number right now. Later on they will come to know the number 0. But for this material, this number 0 is compulsory. We should have it. You can make it in a chart. Just drawing lines to segregate the chart like this. And you can just write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And a partition to keep it only inside that place. That's more than enough. And anyhow you must have done the number cards. You can place the number cards, or else you can just simply write the numbers and ask the child to keep the number in order. This material purpose is to make it only in order, starting from 1 till the number what is familiar with, known to. Right now they know number only up to 6. Later on 7 and 8, 9 and has been taught. They can start doing those numbers also. Even then they have to start only from number 1. Might be after finishing all this, the child might ask you why there is nothing, no object is here, or no spindles or straws are here. 0, you can say to the child, 0 means nothing. So we don't keep anything in this compartment. So you can guide the children to work on this material. You can use ice cream sticks or straws. Probably I think ice cream sticks will be better because it will not roll off. As we don't have any compartment like this, the ice cream stick will stay in its place. It will not roll off from one place to the other. So with the new material, we'll meet you in the other video. Bye bye.